Shamla. Welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about some of the access modifier and also non-access modifier. In case of access modifier, there are three types of access modifier. One is private, second one is public, third one is protected. In case of object-oriented concept, some of the features of object-oriented concepts or polymorphism, inheritance, in that time we will discuss about the protected. Time being, we will discuss about private and public. Coming to non-access modifiers, static, final, abstract, volatile, we will discuss about these in the upcoming classes. Now we will focus on two access specifier. One is private and public. Let's take an example and try to know about these terms. Coming to private is visible to the class only. The public, it is visible to the whole program, whole package, also a subclasses, also to the main program. Create an Java class. I'm using the previous project. I have created the package only once. Later on in the subsequent tutorial, I'm using the same package Samson. Create a class. By default, it will create a file with the same name as of class. Since I'm seeing some of the access specifier, I'm giving the name as access, something like that. Okay, and click on finish. Keep the remaining things default. Access Java file is also created with the access name, access class name. Okay, these are the commenting, single line comments and the multiple line comments. First we will see about the private access modifier. As I said, private scope is only class. It is visible to the class. Since there is already a class, I am creating a private variable. Private is the keyword to create a private variable. Then we need to specify the data type of the integer what we are making use of. Then name of the variable. If you want to assign some values, we can assign the values. I'm assigning the value over here. Int I is equal to 12. We have created one private variable. Now I want to create one public data member. We are creating a data member, not the data function. Later we will create data function also. Write the public keyword. Public, as I said, it is visible to the package, all the subclasses inside the class, and also to the whole package. And also we can say inside the main also it is accessible. Public int j equals to, we can give some value. I'm giving it as 14. Now I'm creating a data function. Public, since I'm creating a data function, return type is required, void return type. I'm giving the name as function. You can give whatever the name you want to give inside this. Okay, I can, as I said, inside the class I can make use of the variable int I. This is a private. I can make use of this variable here. If I want to add some values, what I will do is I'll create one more variable here, int c equals to how much, 10, something like that. It is the values, I don't assign some values. I will keep it to old some of the values. C is equal to I plus j. I can do like this, I plus J. Terminated. I can make use of I in the class because since it is a private, it is visible to class. I can make use of J because it is a public, it is visible to the class as well as in the main program and also to the subclasses. Okay, this is pretty much about private and the private data members as well as public data functions. Now one more thing is, here I am creating an object, something like this. I am allocating the memory same as of access class. Okay, now I can call the function. If you and say I can call this function because it is a public. I can call this function because it is a okay, I can make use of this function because it is a public data function. If I am accessing this, it is going to execute this part of the code. This is about pretty much about private and the public access specifier. In the last tutorial you might have seen I have not used any of the keyword, then also it has executed the program. I have not used any of the access specifier, then also I got the output like access specifier I is equal to 10, something like that. It is because by default if you are not specifying any of the modifier, it is visible to the package. By default it is considered as visible to the whole package. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.